how to write to Pi support. Most of us have been having issue with our Pi account. Either validation is either KYC is under tentative, or you have your phone number issue or anything, emailing, any issue at all you want to solve. You want to write to Pi so to help you solve. So this is the time you can do that. For a while, the support have been not opening, so it's opening now. In this video, I'm showing how you can write to them and get your problem attended by the Pi support. So you come to these 3 lines here. Once you're on these 3 lines, please remember to subscribe to this channel if you are new. Subscribe. Welcome if you are new. Subscribe for more videos on Pi and many other blockchain space and how you can create wealth online. So basically, we come to these 3 lines. If you want to get to the support and tap on it, then scroll down to support portal. This is support portal. Tap on the support portal. It will now log in and open it up on Chrome. So you can see here it said type in the box to search for. So whatever you want to do, you can search for it here. You can scroll up and I'll come to need to raise request, contact us. When you come here, you scroll up and go to contact us. So contact us, there are several things they can attend to you. Click on the category below to send us an email. So account deletion, if you want to delete your account, you tap here to delete account, which are most of us may not want to delete our account. Most people have maybe wallet issue. If your wallet is compromised, maybe somebody have access to your Fraser West thing, you can write to them about their wallet here. Wallet issue, you can tap here to now pop up, ask you to put your email address, put your Pi phone number, and are you experiencing one of these bugs? I can't receive but not send test Pi. If that's the issue you have, you can screenshot. After that, you can describe the issue here. You tick this box here, you can describe the issue here, and can send. So that is it. If that's what you're having issue with. Now other ones, you can go back. We have create a new account. Troubling signing in with forget password. If that's your issue, you can click it. I know most of us are having an issue with most time we're having an issue with our KYC. I think this is where most of us are having an issue with KYC. So if your KYC is still showing tentative, or your KYC is still showing they are checking on it, so you can come here. If for a long time it has been showing tentative, or before it was approved and later on it's not showing tentative, come here and tap on KYC. So on KYC, you can put your email here. Put your, if you are using email, put any email you want to use here. Then come and put your phone number. Sorry, your Pi username here. Like me, I'm using this. This is my Pi username. If I need to start mining Pi, put it as a referral code and start mining. So if you're using verification, if like some of us use Facebook for verification to log into Pi, you can tick Facebook. If you're using phone number or email you have verified before, tap on email. Then password. That's mean you can remember your password for Pi. If yes, you put on yes. If no, tap on no. What is your country, citizen? You put your country here. Of course, this is Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria for now. So which one are you using? Is it Android or iOS? You choose. Which type of phone? Is it Techno, Oppo, anything? You fill it here. Brand of phone can full. Period to application. I cannot access my Pi browser. If that's the issue you're having, you click on here. I cannot open the KYC app. If that's the issue, you have a tick here. I can't open KYC app. Application when submitting KYC. Issue with first screen. Issue with uploading ID. If you cannot upload the ID, you tick any issue you have. Just make sure you go through it very well. KYC review pending. So this is where most people have an issue. KYC review pending. If your KYC review pending is still on pending, it asks you when did you submit a KYC? Was it 2022? If it is, you tap here. Was it since 2023? If when it is, you click here. So I submitted a wrong ID type. Request for your pending KYC application. If you submitted a wrong ID, type it I submitted a wrong one, so I can allow you to submit a new one. The name I use for KYC application is different from the name I use to register for the account. The name on the profile section, if that's the issue you have, you can tick it. If you have more than one issue, tap, my ID document was missing some of the following information: first name, last name, name of birth. If that's the issue that you have, you tap there. I've applied under a different country than the country of my ID card. If that's the issue, you tap there. I may have submitted blur or low quality pictures. That's another one. Another one is I may have entered wrong data. And if you have any other, tip any other here, then and continue. For those who are under validation, some of us are validators, so you can come here and see. A user cannot submit his validation. I used to have access to validation, but cannot have access to it anymore. If before you used to validate people, and now we cannot validate again. You can tap here. So these are you can have screenshot. If you have any screenshot, you can now screenshot whatever you are showing. If you have any screenshot, any proof, let's say that they are showing pending, you can screenshot it. For example, let me see. For example, if you have the account that is showing pending like this, you can screenshot, and then you send the screenshot. You now come here and upload the screenshot here and click on send. Once you tap this send, it will be submitted to them. So this is how you can write to the support. There are many things: troubleshooting, account settings, verification account, security cycle, referral code. Any issue you have, can come here and write to them. If you want to do a partnership with vendor proposal, want to partner with Pi, can come and partner with them. So this is it. I'll do more videos on Pi and many other things. So if you find this video valuable, please subscribe, like, and share it to your team members. Share it to anybody having an issue with Pi. See, now share it so that they can write to support now and get the issue addressed. You see how hope that Pi will do well, because it has a huge community, more than 60 million members and thereabouts. So it's a great project. Despite what is happening, we still believe there's something good to come out. So I'll be doing more videos on this Pi. So remember to always check on our channel and join our Telegram channel and the group, so that I can follow more updates. So thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.